What is up, all of my hustlers? So today we're going to be unboxing a wholesale pod box. Now, if you guys don't know, you can get these pods right here, $14, wesply.com. But we also have something available, which is a bundle. And this bundle, I'm gonna actually pull it up on my phone. This bundle is literally one of the things I created during Black Friday, but I've kept it up because it has been a really good seller, right? Now, when I think of pods, when I think of headphones, I automatically think of reps, right? And I understand why a lot of us have went to selling those, because reps become attractive because you feel like you can get and acquire consumers based on Apple's experience and Apple's marketing, Apple's branding, right? But what we also did was we found a way to sell trending resellers kits. Now, Resellers Kit is a kit where we are selling wholesale products and you're able to get these products all in a bundle. So we have a Labubu Resellers Kit, we have a Pods Resellers Kit, and we also have kits that consistently change throughout the seasons, okay? Now, what I wanna do is I want to unbox this Pods kit for you, and I'm also gonna show you guys the kits that we have available. So we have a Labubu Resellers Kit, which comes with 20 Labubus, okay? And we're talking about Labubus like the Monster McDonald's ones. We're also talking about Labubus like the Monster Coke ones. We're also talking about Labubus like the Rainbow, and also the Have a Seat ones, and even more, okay? We have the Stitch, we have the Spider-Man, we have a bunch of different types, okay? Now, when it comes to chargers, we have charger bundles as well, and most importantly, we have the Clone Resellers Kit. Now, the Clone Resellers Kit is $380. You get 20 clones, okay? You get 10 of the AirPods, so the regular pods you stick in your ear, but you also get some of the over-the-air headphones, 10 to be exact. So it looks just like this, okay? And now this AirPod Clone Resellers Kit, $380, 10 AirPod Gen 2s, 10 AirPod Maxes, total of 20. Now, the ideal resale value for this is around $400 to $600, depending on how many you're actually going to sell for what price point. So I'll give you guys the base bottom. So 10 of these right here, we sell these online anywhere between $50 to $90. We're gonna just go down to the basic price, $50. We're not going to 60, 90, no, $50, okay? 50 times 10 obviously get you that $500 automatically. And also you can sell this in your store because it doesn't have any branded logos on it, okay? Now, another thing that we sell obviously is going to be our Max, right? So again, no logos, and this is what helps us separate ourselves from the rest of the competition, okay? So not only can you make $500 selling 10 of these, right? You can also, with those Maxes right here, and they ordered these, and we usually put assorted colors, but we're just putting black because we understand it's the first quarter. We wanna make sure that we're getting sales, selling as many of the most frequently brought products, and the black is the top selling one, okay? And again, this, I swear, this is a product that I am so happy I ran across. Now, those we end up selling for $90 to $125, but you can even sell them as low as $65 because the price that you get them at wesply.com is $27 each. Now, let's go to the bottom. Let's say $60. You sell it $50 higher than these. Even at $60, you already know you're gonna make $600. So that's $600 plus the $500 from this box alone. You're making $1,100, okay? And I'll unbox this box for you guys just so you can see. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, we have 8, we have 9, and then of course we have 10, right? But then that's not it. We have the Maxes. So we have 1, 2, 3, and again, we're trying to sell these at minimum for any price that you know for a fact will gain you a profit. Even if you sell these for $30, you're still gonna make money. This is so much inventory It's not even funny. $380 gets you these products for you to be able to sell at a point to where people, I think, overthink reselling, okay? And people look at reselling as it being something that needs to be complicated, but it doesn't. Products just like these are easy for you to be able to sell. You just have to put them in front of the right customer. These products here also, again, don't allow you or don't put you in the way of getting banned, suspended, or any of that type of trouble. And that's where I think, again, I continue to grow, build, and most importantly, profit. Because being able to have products like this exactly in my store, exactly me selling it on eBay, or me even being able to work with really flexible profit margins, because again, these are low costing products, I'm able to flourish and most importantly, profit, get my first quarter started in the right way. And you guys can do it too. The link is below. But more than just that, I want you guys to know, even if you don't get it from my site, you get these from somewhere else. You find unbranded products, get them, start selling them, but make sure you're getting products that you can sell at a lower profit margin, okay? So cost of good needs to be under at least $20. Sell it for anywhere between 50 and up, and you're going to find that you are 10xing and sometimes even 12xing your profit in the long run, because these aren't just one-off sellers. People buy these, they like the quality, word of mouth works, and people consistently buy from you, and this can help you build your business. So now what I'm gonna do, oh, I forgot one in here. Well, I'm going to package this box up and then I'm going to go and ship it off. I'm actually rushing because I actually have an audit that I have to do at one of the stores. So I'm really excited, man. And again, these are products that I love selling. I love when people order in bulk, because ordering in bulk is always going to put you in a better position to resell and also profit faster. You got to be able to realize it takes money to make money. If you're scared, you're not putting yourself in that position to actually gain. When you're scared, you're hesitant. That fear takes over and makes you do predictable things such as spend money on going out, things that are fun to distract you and make you comfortable. But what I've realized is when I took the best risk and the most risk that scared me, I always ended up taking a lesson or making a profit. You guys can decide. And again, this is all about empowering you guys to actually put that money where you actually want to build from. And I know drop shipping is popular and a lot of people talk about drop shipping nowadays, and it's the sexy thing to make videos on YouTube about. But I'm not gonna lie, I would never take back reselling real physical products, because again, these are assets that I'm able to sell no matter what. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me go ahead and package these back up and I'm gonna go ship these off, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.